guy.
Alright fellas, Appalachian Deadpool here. I'm going to show you how to fill your mower up with gas the right way. Now you got you some 93 fuel here. This ain't no diesel. This shit's like gold, so you don't want to spill any. You got to do it nice and easy. Real nice and easy. See here? Hey, get a close-up of this here. So y'all can see how to do it the proper way. You see? Get you a nice little spiral, like a commode, you see? It spirals, you see. That mixes all the goody stuff up, you see. I better save some for the weed eaters. And that, my fine fellow friends, is how the lawn dog fills up his mower. Now y'all might do it your way or whatnot. Hell, some of y'all might even have a solar powered mower. And that's how you do it. Get you some!